Hi everyone, hope everyone's having a good holiday. I just wanted to do a quick video on something cool I found today. Anthills in cement. Found a bunch of them and I think it was pretty cool to share, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So they kind of ripped through the cement and I don't know if we can catch a little ant. You see that? In the cobblestone. I don't see any little ones, but wish we could catch them at work. But, oh, there's some. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there's one. You see him, and he's crawling back in the anthill. And that's pretty cool. Some other ones, and you see them. This anthill's a pretty busy one. And you see the little guy going back and forth. Excuse my shoes. I don't want to smush the anthill. Back and forth. So, that'd be pretty cool to share. Part of nature this morning. Alrighty. Hope everyone has a good holiday.